Hey, Brian from GarageMahal. Today I have a helicopter from Vevor, and this is a gyro stabilized helicopter. So with that knowing, it should be pretty easy to fly. So let's open it up, see everything that we get inside. So right off the bat we have the operations manual. Make sure you read through this because there's probably a lot of information in here to go through. And then it has this nice little case to it. So let's open it up. I love how it's kind of like stored in there. So we'll probably end up keeping a box. So that is the helicopter, pretty cool. So it's got the 4 propellers that come out like that. Pretty cool. And that is where we plug it in at the bottom. That is very sharp looking. Okay, here is your remote control. So it looks like there's a lot of trim adjustments, speed adjustments, landing, takeoff, 1 button. So let's see what kind of batteries this remote takes. So it takes 4 AA's, so we'll get these at the end right before we take off. And then it has this, so it looks like this is the battery. So I thought the battery was internal, but it's an external battery, so pretty cool. So it'll fit right in there. Pretty neat. And then just squeeze to release. And then it's got a spare rear rotor and rotors on top, so very cool. And then let's get this charging cable out. Okay, so it looks like this will plug into, oh, here it is. So there it is on the side. I thought I saw it in the beginning and I just kind of like whipped through it. So we're going to leave that plugged in. We're going to go get ourselves 4 AA batteries and then I'll meet you outside. So stay tuned. Alright, so you're taking your battery and you're putting it in here. And then you want to turn the power on, hold the button in, and then that is good to go. Then you want to turn your remote on. And start off with speed 1 if you're just getting into it. Then you have your 1 button takeoff and landing. And then you want to pair it, so you go up and down. And then you see it's ready. 1 button takeoff and landing. So pretty stable. Just gonna be laying on the controls when you first learn it out, but see how you can make it kind of wobble backward, forward. But overall, very stable. Pretty cool. Anyway, Brian from GarageMahal. Thanks for watching and be safe out there.